Hey friends, if you wish to force Windows 11 time to sync with the time server, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab and select date and time. Now wait. You may just click sync now, but that is not the right method. If you want it to be perfect, if you want it to perfectly sync, then first of all turn this switch on. Okay, it will set the time zone automatically, or if you're very confident, you can select the time zone manually, but I will suggest keep it switched on. And then the second one switched on which says set time zone automatically. Now click on sync now and wait for a few seconds till you get the tick mark here. Once you get the tick mark here, you have force synced the time. This is the correct method. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.